Hi, Billy the Artist, back with a overview video because there are lots and lots of drawings that you can do while you're now at home. Anyway, this is an overview of my How to Draw The Incredibles, and there are 8 drawings altogether. Not only do we have this lot here, there are also these ones too. So we shall go through them quickly for you. But while you do, please do like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when new How to Draw lessons are made available on my channel. And when you're posting, do use the hashtag Drawing with Billy, and it'll be quite good fun because people have started to post and share what they're actually doing with the lessons. But anyway, this is an overview, and there will be links in the cards for these 4 and a link to the playlist starting with Mr. Incredible as well. But, so that's up in the cards, up in the top. So, up in the cards, we'll start with the link for Mr. Incredible. So, that will be the full playlist. The first link that will come out will start you at Mr. Incredible, and that's the full How to Draw playlist. And there's now over 110 lessons on there. There's lots more videos on there, all kinds of stuff. And I am adding to them almost daily now, and I am loving it, and it is great to encourage you to draw. So anyway, do check out How to Draw Mr. Incredible. But then we have Mrs. Incredible. So do check out How to Draw her as well. Again, link up in the cards to the individual video. And I will put in the description box the link to every single video as well. So do check that out as well and share them out with your friends. And then we have In His Super Suit, Frozone. Anyway, that's great. And these as well, these are done with cheap felt tip pens and pencil crayons. So these are done and produced with the kind of stuff you'll get from Poundland, a thrift store, or your supermarket, Costco, wherever. They're not high grade, very expensive markers. So that's what you can do with really basic equipment. And again, they're all in real time and you can watch the lot. Then we have Darling Edna Mode, and this is a full pencil drawing. So again, check out the link in the cards and in the description for Edna Mode. Now I did this one using 2B and 4B pencils. I may have used an 8B, not sure, it was a while ago when I actually did the drawing. But again, you see, and again, check out How to Draw Anything Part 1 using shapes. Link in the cards and in the description. And you see how all of these are done using that. But again, the pencils, you can see some of the construction lines just around the edges of the characters that we actually did. So do check out Edna Mode, and that's all pencil, just using nothing but the trusty pencil. So that's really good. Again, we will bring over now the other 4. So we do have all the children, including Mum. So we do have Mrs. Incredible with baby Jack on his own. We do have Violet, and we have Dash. So do check out all of those. The links are in the description for these videos. But again, they're great fun to do using basic pencil crayons and simple art techniques. So do check out all of these videos, share them out with your friends, pass on, and then do check out The Art of Billy. And again, there is a full Harry Potter playlist. I'm adding at least one Harry Potter character per week in the next few weeks and months. But that's going to be another load of pencil drawings. But do check out these, like and subscribe, tick the bell to be notified when there's new videos. And thanks very much for your time, and I'll see you in the next drawing.